Shh, don't worry. I am here with you. We will face this together.
Would you like some more?
Yes, please. It's very good.
Wow! Fried chicken! This chicken is so good. I love the fries too. Can I have another piece? Wow, look at all this food! This fried chicken is the best!
Here, try this one. It's my favorite. You look tired, my love. Come sit down and eat. Here you go, everyone. Make sure you get enough chicken.
It looks delicious.
Thank you.
Everyone.
Wow, thank you. It smells delicious.